Do you need to write to the output window? To write to the output window, use the command GD.Print. Everything inside the parentheses will appear in the output window. If you want to build a sentence that contains text and variable data, use the $sign at the beginning, before the string, and the variable names inside curly braces. Using the $sign before the string indicates that the string will be interpolated with variable data, identified within the curly braces. It can also be useful to differentiate the type of message. If you want to show an important warning or report an error, use GD.PushWarning and GD.PushError respectively. Informative messages written with GD.Print appear in the output window, and warning or error messages written by PushWarning and PushError appear in the debugger errors highlighted with different colors. However, the different location and color is not just aesthetic. Although they catch the eye more easily, they can also be used as quick access to the code, because when you click on the error, you immediately jump to the line of code that wrote it. Like the video and subscribe the channel to keep updated on the new content.